SOUN stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And just observing SoundHound AI, this is retracing down, which it's not necessarily like a bad thing or something like that. It's just that obviously I want to take things up, but for context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships, and have documented everything. And just like observing SOUN, it's inside my demand area, and you better know I'm ready to hopefully take things up. And since now we have kind of like the price gave me new candles, of course, it's going to be the same thing just from this level. So that's how SOUN looks like. And now if I see this double break, then and only then I'll take things up. I mean, on the other hand, I will just, like, what happens if the price goes down and it doesn't give me the double break? Because it cannot consolidate forever. It will either give me the break of the low or the high. Then I'll keep you updated. So stay tuned, wink wink. If you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.